we're gonna make a little experiment. I have epoxy part A and part B. I have the silicone coaster molds I got from Amazon. We have glitter, pretty cool. We have fish tank gravel. It is this one, like little stones like black and orange and green and blue and pink. So I spent some time separating the colors, and what I'm planning to do is mix the epoxy, add the glitter, just so we have some sparkles going on, pour some of the epoxy and start dropping in each of the molds just about the same amount of the black ones, spread them around, and then in one mold I'm going to put the blue, next one green, next one pink, next one orange. So I'm going to have 4 coasters with each one with different accent color, and we'll see how it turns out. I have a torch so I can pop the bubbles on the epoxy. First we mix the epoxy for about 3 minutes. So this whole thing is gonna take maybe like 5-10 minutes tops with mixing and everything. But it's definitely something that you can do and make some cool coasters that you know, are a nice conversational piece when you have guests in your house. So. I think that's pretty good. Now we're gonna add some glitter. That's why I use this little tiny screwdriver. You can add as much as you want. I think it looks better with less glitter than with more, but that's personal opinion. Okay, so now I'm mixing it for over 4 minutes for sure, and you can start pouring it. I'm gonna pour a little bit first. I want to leave some space for the stones, and I don't know if I'm gonna have enough epoxy, to be honest. We'll be okay. What usually happens is if you're not trying to measure and calculate everything, things work out much better than if you're actually trying to measure exactly how much you need. Piece of paper. now this just got rid of all the bubbles. Looks pretty cool. Okay, it's next day, about 16 hours since I poured the casting, and everything is nice and hard. And now I'm gonna remove them. They pop right off, super easy. And this is what we have. Now they're still a little soft to touch, not like soft to touch, but they're still not fully cured. So what I like to do is put them in the right direction they're gonna stay, and leave them on flat surface for maybe another like 5-6 hours, and they are exposed on all corners from the mold, which will allow them to fully cure in this position, which they're gonna sit on the table like this when you put the glass on them. So that's gonna ensure your bottom is perfectly flat. And here is how easy they come right off the molding. You just pretty cool. No air bubbles, very smooth, no imperfections. Everything's looking perfect. And the molds are ready for another use.